This time, I will vlog how I monetize. So, come and join me and let's discuss the monetization process. So, this is Charlie of AdSense Mix Vlogs. Please stay tuned. Thank you. So welcome back. So let's find out the 6 frequently questions about Google AdSense. Number 1, what is AdSense verification PIN? Number 2, when will my PIN arrive? Number 3, when do I need to enter my PIN? Number 4, where can I enter my PIN? Number 5, what if my PIN doesn't receive within 2 to 4 weeks period time? And number 6, what if my address is wrong? So guys, number 1, what is Google AdSense verification PIN? So Google requires you to verify your address before sending payments. Once you receive a minimum threshold of earnings, at least $10, your AdSense will mail you a personal identification number or PIN with your payment address. Once you receive your PIN, you'll then to enter it into your AdSense account. If you enter it correctly, your account will be verified and you will start receiving your payments. PIN is sent by postal service. You will need to enter this PIN into your Google AdSense account to verify your address. Please note that your PIN is a 6-digit number that requires you when your account reaches verification threshold. Your PIN is not as the same as your publisher ID. Please only enter a correct PIN number in your PIN verification card. You do not enter random numbers. If you enter your PIN incorrectly for 3 times, your account will be stopped showing ads. So I gonna show you my Google AdSense PIN that I received. So my PIN arrived for 5 days only. So number 2, when will my PIN arrive? Your PIN is sent by standard mail after you reaches the minimum verification threshold of $10 for the first time. For US, the threshold is $10. For Singapore is $10. For country of Vietnam and China, the PIN is sent from Singapore. So my channel AdSense Vlogs is addressed to Singapore, therefore my PIN arrived within 5 days. It may arrive usually 2 to 4 weeks, but it may take longer depending on the postal service in your country. Number 3, when do I need to enter my PIN? So you enter your PIN within 4 months from the date your first PIN is generated to enter it into your account. If you haven't entered it in 4 months, ads will stop sharing on your channel. Number 4, where can I enter my PIN? When you receive your PIN, enter it into your account information page on your Google AdSense account. Number 5, what if my PIN doesn't arrive within 2 to 4 weeks period time? You can request a replacement PIN if it hasn't arrived for 4 weeks. It is possible that your PIN will fail to reach you depending on your location, depending on the postal services as well. If you don't receive your PIN after 4 weeks, you can request a replacement PIN. And number 6, finally, what if my address is wrong? Make sure your payment address in your AdSense account is correct or change it. If there's any errors in your address, or if you move into a new address, you will need to change the payment address within your account. That's it, and have a good day. Thank you for watching AdSense Vlogs. So please support my channel and click the notification bell to get notified for future uploads. So thank you and good day to everyone.